Welcome back to another episode of IAmBigSteveo doing something with the Jeep. Well, it's kind of I guess you could say a sad day. Bittersweet. The old Jeep is gonna go away. So this is gonna be the last episode of the Jeep. It has officially been traded in. The new vehicle that's replacing it is already in my possession, but I'm not going to announce that yet. You'll have to stay tuned. But it's a little bit of a bittersweet moment. All the parts on it that I had on it, the exhaust, the cold air intake, the air oil separator, the catch can, it's all taken out. So all the parts that were on it, they are going to be up for sale. If you're local to southern New Hampshire, in the Merrimack, Manchester, Nashua area, I'm willing to travel. I got some parts that are up for sale. Hit me up. At any rate, same thing with the wheels. I got the stock wheels back on, wheels and tires. The last thing that I need to do to this is take the air links out. Otherwise, we're all done with the Jeep. It's time to move on to something new. What exactly is replacing it? You're just gonna have to stay tuned in the channel. I'll make another post about that when I get there. Got the branding removed off of the Jeep. We're done. So like I said, stay tuned. I'll have an announcement video of what's to come. And yeah, I think it could be, how can I put it? Could be controversial. I think some people will be pretty thrilled with it. Some people might not. We'll see. I'm looking at it right now. Just have to stay tuned. At any rate, we'll see you next time on the next episode of IAmBigSteveo. And otherwise, probably not going to be making too many videos going forward. Seems like most of the content was good with the Jeep, but even then, still not that, wasn't really attracting a whole lot of views. So I don't know, might take a break from YouTube for a bit. It's kind of a lot of work to get nothing out of it. I know you guys like to see the how-tos and stuff. So we'll catch you guys later. See ya.